Hello everyone, welcome to YouTube. It's Morgan Castle again. Okay, my mouth's a little dirty. I just had breakfast currently. Yeah, it's currently almost 9 o'clock a.m. Anyway though, today we'll be testing the main fire alarm system. So today we'll be testing the main fire alarm system. It is going to be loud. We'll be testing all of the fire alarms in the house today. Today will be a system test. Today we'll be testing all the alarms, yes. So, but before we even test those, let's go out here in the hallway and kind of give, oops, there's my little tester. Let's kind of test this one real quick. See if this one works. I think it does. I have tested these before. This one works. I'm testing it.
Warning, carbon monoxide.
Oh, okay, it works. Okay. Yep. And then, okay, we'll be testing the one in my room. Now, but yeah, I'm testing it. It's gonna be loud. Believe it'll be it's gonna be loud. Okay. Let's test this. The main fire alarm system is getting tested. Hold on, let's make sure the whole system works. Okay, that one works. Okay, let me go into the hallway here. Make sure the green light is on. It's on and working. Okay. I believe the exit sign 250 and SER safety will be proud of this. It's just working. Make sure they all sound. It works. Okay. It's kind of Minson and the other clients are not here right now, so I can keep my door open. And I believe Pickles 700 will be also proud to make sure that my house fire alarm system is working. Let me go in this bedroom right here. So it'll be loud, okay? Make sure the green light is on. It's working. Make sure this one works. It's working like it's supposed to. Okay. Let's go over to this one over here. It's going on my YouTube. Is this one working? Yeah, it is. Test it. Yep. Let's head downstairs. I believe the ones downstairs are broken, but I will literally show. But yeah, the ones downstairs are kind of disconnected, which is pretty sad, I know. But I will show what it looks like. See this? I know. Disconnected. Yep, disconnected. Not good. Head back upstairs, and I believe that is it with all the alarms in the house, except for my own smoke alarm, which I will also give that a test. So let me head back upstairs. Be very careful not to trip. That sound you hear is my watch scraping across the wall. Shut the door, and I will literally go back upstairs and test my own smoke alarm. Back upstairs. This will be house system test 1. Oops, peanut butter. There it is.
Fire.
This I got from Menards back in Council Bluffs, as you may notice from my video,
Warning, carbon
my
monoxide.
unboxing video. Yep. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed House 280 House System Test 1. And that's basically 280 House System Test 1. Hope you enjoyed. Bye. Peace out.